In this video, you will learn how to use the journal search function on Library Search in order to access online journals, magazines, newspapers, and other periodicals. From the library homepage, click on the Library Search icon to access the Library Search interface. Then, click on the tab Journal List located in the center of the orange bar at the top of your screen. Note that if you are accessing Library Search from mobile, then the location of the Journal List tab may be different. From here, you can browse journals alphabetically by the first word in the title or by category. Categories are divided by academic discipline, such as engineering and applied sciences, and philosophy and religion. They can also be broken down into further subcategories, such as philosophy and aesthetics. You can also search for a journal by typing its title or ISSN into the search bar at the top of the screen. Then click on the search icon or hit the enter key on your keyboard. On the search results, the record for the journal will include various helpful information, including who publishes the journal, which years, volumes, and issues of the journal BGSU has access to, and whether the journal is peer-reviewed. If the journal is available online, you can click on the Available Online button to access it. You can also click on the title of the journal to view options for access. Under the View Online heading, you can view which databases include full-text availability for the journal. You can also check for which date range the database has access to that journal. For example, for the Journal of Marketing shown on the screen, both Business Source Complete and JSTOR have access to the journal's issues starting on July 1st, 1936. However, journal issues from the past 4 years are not available in full text on JSTOR. Once you've selected which database you want to view the journal on, click on the title of the database to access the full text. You can also search through the journal's full text from Library Search using the search bar under the Search Inside heading. Type in the name of an article title or subject keyword, then click on the search icon. This will pull up any articles accessible in Library Search on that topic from that particular journal. If we have access to physical copies of the journal, they will be listed under the Locations heading on the journal's record. Click on a location to see which volumes and issues are available at that location. For more instructions and tips on how to use Library Search, check out the full playlist of videos on YouTube. You can also contact a librarian for assistance via email, phone, or chat, or visit us at the information desk on the first floor of Jerome Library.